we really needed a partner that understood us as an organization, but also the dynamics of our industry and where the industry was going. And I would say secondly, we needed someone with a proven reputation and the scientific capabilities to back it up. And Microban helps us substantiate those solutions. So we engaged and ultimately started our partnership with Microban in 2010. Again, it was all based around providing meaningfully unique applications for our constituents. Microban worked with us to develop an antimicrobial technology for our flagship product, Envirofill. We were actually the first to bring this technology to the marketplace, and with the help of our distribution partners, we service thousands of end users annually. These are end users such as athletes, school administrators, homeowners, children, and even pets, where this technology is used to help create a clean surface. So at the end of the day, we really feel like we're selling peace of mind. And then also we've seen tremendous growth over the last 5 to 6 years, and I think this is a testament to not only the hard work that we personally are putting in, but it's validation from the marketplace that our products and services are working for them.